Okay, it's Tuesday, February 22nd. Just want to show you an afternoon trade I made. I bought AMD for the second time today at 116.05. And if we look at it here, I bought it at the blue line, the bottom blue line. And essentially price for the day, if you look at the daily chart, it's still a 2-up day overall. I bought it earlier in the morning and I had a successful trade on it, had a small gain, and then it moved down for the rest of the day. I was watching it and watching a lot of other stocks, and it essentially made a 2 push down to the close of yesterday, still holding above the midpoint of yesterday, and everything else still a 2-up day, and then it started green. So I bought it back up here, and you can see here I actually scaled out of half the position at I just sold it here at 117. I had a limit order in to sell half the position at 117, a point higher, and now I'm watching it continue higher at 117.55. So overall, good trade. I don't know for sure if we're going to get to the high of the day today. Again, it's possible. What is it here? It's about an hour to go in trading. So it's the type of thing where if I just get another push up, I might take my gains and that's it and just call it a decent trade. But this was a good type of setup where you have kind of 2 pushes down, the second push of the day. So it took out, the stops that were in place, but you're still holding above everything in an overall uptrend. So when it turned green again, I was able to jump in here, scale out a half the position just to create a no-risk trade and then kind of see how we want to attack the highs of the day. It's a type of day where a lot of stocks, I'm watching them, they've gone down a lot, and then now you're getting a big bounce. So you can see all these stocks that had early put trades earlier in the day are rebounding. The market is trying to stage a little rally. It's an overall negative environment. So that's why it's hard to say if this one's going to really, take out the highs of the day, but it is possible. Maybe a lot of short coverings going on here. But this was a good high probability setup given the context that we already had the 2-up day and you only came down to the close of yours. That's usually a point I'm looking for, especially on a 2 push down to then, once you get your green bar, your 2 down, 2 up here, to have a little push back up. So it looks good, and we'll see, if it could reach the intraday highs by the end of the day.